Hey guys, let's suppose we are going to send a maintenance notification. So how we would send? So you will have to say hi all, because maintenance, it is going to be sent to all, not to the specific team. So hi all, you can use I or we as a team. I'm going to perform network maintenance on the circuit FY12 starting from 10 a.m. IST to 12 p.m. IST on 24th September 2024. All services would be unavailable during the maintenance window. Please contact network team for any issues. So this is how you have to send a maintenance notification for a later date, or you can do it within a day. Like if the maintenance is going to be happen in the evening, then you can send the notification prior to like 4 or 5 hours. So I am going to send this for tomorrow. So in this way you have to send a professional maintenance notification. Thank you.